Hello, and now we're going to look at the second text. Patrick, 15 Jahre. So, Youth is short for das Jugendzentrum or Youth Club. Hallo, ich heiße Patrick und ich komme aus Köln. Ich mache fast jeden Tag etwas zusammen mit meinen Freunden. Wir treffen uns auf dem Skateboardplatz oder im Youth. Dort haben wir eine Disco und wir können Tischtennis oder Playstation spielen. Manchmal gehen wir ins Kino oder auf ein Konzert. Zweimal in der Woche spiele ich Basketball und am Wochenende spiele ich Eishockey. Wenn ihr zwischen 14 und 16 seid, am liebsten Mädchen und Lust habt, jemanden in der Großstadt kennenzulernen, schreibt mir bitte. Tschüss, Patrick. So, a few things there. Sorry about the punctuation. Okay, so where do you live? It's up to Köln. Yeah, and Köln is one of those cities that actually have an English equivalent. So the equivalent for Köln is Cologne. You won't get a mark down, obviously, but you get a mark up if you write Cologne. Favorite meeting place? He meets his friends nearly every day, either at the skate park or the youth club. So it's that little detail. So it doesn't ask you when, but putting it in is also very important. Okay, those little details like that. Favorite leisure activities? Skateboarding, obviously, because they meet at the skate park. That's implied. He doesn't say, I like skateboarding, but it's implied, so write it down. Playing table tennis or PlayStation at the club, where there is a disco. So, it doesn't say if he likes dancing, but if you put that there's a disco, you can get that point for there. And sometimes he goes to the cinema or a concert. So, team sports. So he plays basketball twice a week and ice hockey at the weekend. So again, you need the little details. How often, when, okay? Age preference for Penfriends. Now he did say zwischen, so we want between, yeah? Zwischen, between 14 and 16 years of age. Preferably, am liebsten, girls, okay? So he does have a preference there. So another preference, someone from the country or a small town. He doesn't say that, okay? But the reason that you are putting that he wants someone from a country or a small town, is because he says if you would like to get to know someone from the big city, yeah? Großstadt, big city. So kennenlernen, remember, is to get to know in this sense, obviously, okay? All right, good one.